Hello guys, today we are replacing our Toyota RAV4's 2004 driver's side sun visor because as you can see it's broken and it's swinging and not staying in its place because of right here it has broken from the inside. And this is a very common issue in Toyota RAV4's 2004s where the thing that's supposed to be holding up the sun visor gets broken, especially on the driver's side because it's more often used than the passenger side. As you can see, this one's not broken because it's not used as much as the driver's side one. And now to replace it, it's just to open two screws over here. And one there. Then you just take it off its out here. And now you get the replacement one. You first hook it up onto here to hold it up. Put it into there and then screw it in. Make sure you tighten the screws to make sure it doesn't fall off. And thanks for watching guys. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.